Hi. Let's solve this puzzle. There is a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of the river, a few people are standing. The ones wearing a cap are the coaches. And the other ones are the players or the athletes. So there are 3 pairs of coach and player, green, pink, and orange. The puzzle is to shift all of them from one side of the river to the other side. Let's see what the rules are. Rule number 1 says that no coach trusts his athlete to be with any other coach unless he is also with his athlete. Rule number 2 says that each athlete can either be alone or with other athletes, but not alone with a different coach. And rule number 3 says that the raft can hold a maximum of 2 people, and everyone can row. Okay. Before moving forward, if you want, you may pause the video here and try it on your own using pen and paper, and later cross-check your answer. Let's start. First, the green coach and player will go to the other side. The green coach will come back alone. Then, the orange and pink players will go together. The green player will come back alone. Now, the orange and pink coaches will go together. Pink pair will come back. Then, green and pink coaches will go together. All the coaches are now on the other side. The orange player will come back alone. Green and orange players will go together. The green player will come back. And finally, the pink and green players will go to the other side. And bingo! We have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.